Hello.
Hello.
Another tomato taste testing today. We have six,
Mm.
six types. So Chadwick cherry, it seems to be cocktail size, bigger than I thought it would be.
We took the seeds.
Yeah. This is calf heart, pink. So it's like the ox heart, but it's just a smaller version, pretty much. So it ripens faster and so forth. This is one of the Piennolo ones. I have to look because the tag was taken by birds, but I'm pretty sure that this is Kenneth's Piennolo. It's a storing tomato, and you see it's very, very thick wall, and that's why they store really well. And then just a ample sized cherry, ample red. And these guys, you know, it's your average little cherry tomato, red cherry tomato, but these are good because they don't get all that big or anything. You can put them in a pot by your front door and go grab some whenever. You can even put them in a hanging basket and it's not a problem. They can just drape down a bit and you get them like that. Then we've got orange citron. It's already cut up, but anyway, yeah, it's orangey yellow, looks like a lemon shape. So, and supposedly it has a slight citrus flavor, so we'll see. Then we've got Dina, and for the longest time I had to figure out which one this was. It's just a perfectly round, very orange tomato. Perfect little thing, and it looked like an orange growing on the vine, so I was like, wow, that's crazy. So a little bit spotted, but otherwise it doesn't crack or anything. So I guess we get started then.
You try this.
Maybe that one last because it might be really good. There's Chadwick cherry. So might not have been fully ripe, but good enough.
It's pasty.
Yeah. Well, it's kind of sour, in my opinion.
It's not sweet.
No.
Do you think it was mature?
Yeah, it was close
Maybe.
enough, I think, but it's more sour than sweet for sure. It might have sweetened up a tiny bit, but I don't think it's one of your sweet ones, really. It's a neutral kind of one. Cocktail size, so yeah, so they're fun to eat.
Yeah, it's just not a sweet one at all.
Nah.
The juice didn't smell sweet. It smells sour.
And then you've got the calf heart, pink. I have no idea. Very flavorful. Like super amount of flavor in it.
Is it like flowers?
Maybe a little. It's not super sour, it's not super sweet.
Mm.
A little sweet.
It didn't really taste like a tomato.
Yeah.
It tastes like a fruit.
Mm-hmm. So it is a bit fruity, maybe slightly flowery. But it,
We had just small pieces of this one, so we don't know for sure. It was a weird
was
small
yummy.
piece.
Maybe it was a slight melon flavor too, I don't know.
Yeah.
Okay, the Piennolo one. This is gonna be, you know, kind of tough, chewy.
Mm.
Yeah,
The skin is thick.
very thick. Mmm. There's an aftertaste to it that it's almost vanilla to me. Maybe because of after the other tomato, but
Mm. Yeah.
it's like a vanilla aftertaste. That's
Let's see.
crazy. Or almond. Almond extract. That's what it is.
Mm.
What? I wasn't expecting that. Yeah. It's like almond extract, like
Yeah.
aftertaste. Interesting. The first one ever I've tasted that's like that. Cool. I didn't see anything like that in any of the descriptions mentioning that, so, but that's what I taste.
Mm. I would need to eat more at once just to know better what it really tastes like. But that was a good one.
Yeah, that was surprisingly good. I was not expecting that. Then we've got the ample red.
Mm. It's sweet.
Sweet, bold flavor, typical red cherry taste. You know, bold, fruity, sweet. Juicy.
Sour also.
Yeah, a bit of sour, so it's a nice balance. Well, anything bold, it usually has a bit of both, but. So it's good. It's kind of chewy skin.
Yeah, it is.
It's still in my mouth.
I really like red cherries. But this one had a thicker skin.
Yeah. So that probably means you can have it. You can have it on the vine because it comes in a lot of clusters. This one, so you can probably take off a whole cluster, and it's probably good for a little while because of the thick skin. Then we've got the orange citron.
There's not much flavor.
No. There is a slight sour citrusy something, which is fitting for it being orange citron, but it's
Yeah, it does not much flavor to the juicy like either.
yeah, there it is a little bit citrusy, a little bit sour, but it's extremely mild in flavor. So, but it does not taste anything like a red tomato. And last but not least, we've got Dina. the one that looks like an orange.
Mm.
So,
Mm.
mmm, mmm. Immediately melts in your mouth.
Mm. Yeah.
Man.
Mm.
So super pleasant texture in that way.
Mm.
Not chewy. The skin's a little chewy, but the inside is just melts in your mouth.
And the inside melts instantly.
Mm-hmm.
Then there's just skin left for a bit.
And that one tastes a little bit like an orange to me. Maybe I'm just,
Try this.
you know, imagining things that taste a little tiny bit like clementine, just like a mild, I don't know. Yeah, it just melts. Oh my gosh.
Mm. Yeah, it's like butter.
Mm-hmm. And it's not that it
Yeah.
was overripe.
No.
It's just really,
And it's thick.
yeah, thick
Thick.
wall here.
Yeah.
And skin, I guess, a bit. Yeah. So these probably last too a bit. They don't grow in huge clusters or anything, like 2 to 3. But
But
yeah.
I really like it. Look,
Uh-huh.
it's sweet also.
Yeah. And I am getting a slight orange type of aftertaste. At least I am. Just a
For
little
me,
bit.
it's like peach.
Yeah. Fruity anyway. Fruity for sure, like a buttery, fruity orange tomato. Not super strong in flavor, but pleasant.
Yeah.
It's good.
The flavor isn't strong.
Mm-mm.
That was the most fun one to eat.
I think so.
Good look. Taking small bites or a big bite.
Mm-hmm.
It's just fun to eat that one.
Yeah.
Mm.
So that's it then. Thanks for watching our third taste test.